Cassie with Off Leash Canine Training, Lehigh Valley and Scranton. Today I have with me Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh is a 1-year-old Cavalier King Charles Spaniel who just got dropped off for our famous 2-week board and train program. Some of the biggest complaints Mom has is that he doesn't walk nice on a leash. Okay, so they really want him to be able to heel and enjoy going for walks with him. He's also a big time jumper. She said he jumps on everything and everybody, okay, all the time, no manners. And he barks a lot. There's a lot of excessive barking. She says that anybody that walks by, he barks at. If he sees something outside, he barks at it. And sometimes he just barks for no reason. Okay, so some of those behaviors are what they really want us to work on, as well as locking down all of his basic obedience and commands and making him an off-leash dog as well. Let's see what Pittsburgh knows on day 1. Come. Sit. Pittsburgh, can you sit? Sit. 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 Okay, so it doesn't know sit. You'll also hear some of that whining and that jumping behavior too. See if he knows place. Pittsburgh, place. Sit. 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 Pittsburgh, please. Sit. Okay, so he wants to get on the object, which is cool, but he doesn't actually know the command. Pittsburgh, down. 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 Okay, definitely doesn't know down either. Alright, so we got a lot of work to do over these next 2 weeks. It doesn't look like Pittsburgh knows a whole lot. Check back with us then to see a fully off-leash dog, and check out the next clip to see how he looks walking on a leash here on day 1. are here with Pittsburgh on the day of his turnover. Can you guys tell me some of the reasons you brought Pitty to training?
Because he was barking at everyone and we couldn't stop him because he would jump on the older folks and they weren't able to get up when he jumped on them. And because he wouldn't stay with us, he would run away.
Okay, and have you seen a difference in Pittsburgh's overall obedience and behavior after the 2 weeks?
Oh, sure. Now I'm able to walk with him with my walker. Bill, my son, he is my son's dog. He's able to work with him and work with him and stop him doing the barking and the jumping.
Okay, and what did you guys think of the daily photo or video updates over the course of the 2 weeks?
That made me so relaxed because I was very nervous when I turned him over to someone I didn't know. So every time I would go straight to them, it gave me a lot of confidence in what was happening.
Good, and would you recommend off-leash canine training to your friends and family?
Oh, definitely, I already have.
All right, awesome. Well, thank you guys very much. It was a pleasure working with you guys and Pittsburgh.